Hello everyone, welcome to our 10-minute video where we will be diving deep into each chapter, with each chapter being 2 to 3 minutes long. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to make great content for YouTube and TikTok simultaneously. Let's kick things off with some jokes to get you right from the start. Why don't YouTube creators ever get lost? Because they always follow the channel. And here's one for TikTokers. Why did the TikTok cross the road? To get to the For You page. Before we get into the details, if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great tips. Now, let's get into the meat of the content. The first step to creating great content for both YouTube and TikTok is planning. Create a content calendar to keep track of your ideas and schedule. A well-organized calendar helps you stay consistent and ensures that you always have fresh content ready to go. For instance, plan your videos around trending topics and seasonal events. This not only keeps your content relevant, but also increases the chances of your videos being discovered by new viewers. Use tools like Google Trends or the trending page on YouTube and TikTok to get ideas. Additionally, you can create series or themes for your content. This encourages viewers to come back for more, knowing what to expect from your channel. By having a clear plan, you'll save time and reduce the stress of last-minute content creation. Next, use FlexClip to easily create and edit your videos. It's free and user-friendly. FlexClip offers a variety of templates that can make your videos look professional with minimal effort. You don't need to be an expert in video editing to create stunning videos. With FlexClip, you can trim, add text, insert music, and apply filters effortlessly. When filming, make sure to shoot in a well-lit area to improve the video quality. Good lighting can make a huge difference in the overall look of your content. Use natural light if possible, or invest in affordable lighting equipment. Additionally, pay attention to your background. A clean, uncluttered background keeps the focus on you and your message. Engage with your audience by asking questions and responding to comments. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. For example, at the end of your videos, ask your viewers a question related to the video's topic and encourage them to leave their answers in the comment section. Responding to comments shows your audience that you value their input and helps build a community around your content. You can also use features like polls and Q&A sessions on YouTube and TikTok to interact with your audience. These interactive elements can boost engagement and make your viewers feel more connected to you. Remember, building a loyal audience takes time and effort, but the payoff is worth it. Share your YouTube videos on TikTok and vice versa. Use clips from one platform to drive traffic to the other. Cross-promotion helps you reach a wider audience and increases the chances of your content going viral. For example, you can create short teaser clips from your YouTube videos and post them on TikTok with a call to action to watch the full video on YouTube. Similarly, you can promote your TikTok content on YouTube by creating compilation videos or behind-the-scenes content. This way, your followers on one platform are encouraged to follow you on the other, boosting your overall reach and engagement. Consistency is crucial. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Set a posting schedule that you can realistically stick to. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, consistency helps you build a routine for your audience. They know when to expect new content from you, which can lead to higher retention and loyalty. Consistency is crucial. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Set a posting schedule that you can realistically stick to. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, consistency helps you build a routine for your audience. They know when to expect new content from you, which can lead to higher retention and loyalty. Use scheduling tools to plan and automate your posts. This allows you to maintain consistency even during busy periods. Additionally, analyze your performance regularly to understand what works best for your audience. Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve your posting schedule. Remember, you can make a viral video. Just don't give up. Keep experimenting and learning. The key to success is persistence. Not every video will be a hit, but every video is an opportunity to learn and improve. Keep an eye on trends and adapt your content to stay relevant. Stay motivated by setting small, achievable goals. Celebrate your successes, no matter them as motivation to keep going. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow creators who can offer advice and encouragement. Here at MRA Passive Income Playbook,